Hi, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. Today I've come on to make a very quick card, and it's made with the Symmetry stamp set and this absolutely beautiful Sweet Symmetry designer series paper. Just let you have a wee quick look at this. It's got some kind of almost monochromatic patterns and lovely, well, symmetrical patterns. So it's just lovely. I love it. I love the colours. So I've just picked a wee bit of this. I've not stamped this before. I'm just quickly thinking I can just do something really quickly. So I've picked three colours that are in this piece of paper, which are Bumblebee, Night of Navy and Polished Pink. I've cut out a shape to stamp on from the Scalloped Contours dies. This is not going to be anything clever, it's just a very quick, simple card, kind of aimed at beginners, but it is something that, you know, you can embellish it or you can step it up, but it's just going to be fine like this. So I'm going to pop that to the side and just quickly stick this on here. I've forgotten to cut a piece for a liner, but where's my glue gun? It was here a minute ago. Oh dear me, I am being challenged today. Right, I thought it was all organised and ready to go. So this is in the 2021 to 2022 annual catalogue. The stamp set is really lovely actually, and I have just watched a friend do a video and using these stamps in the style of Scandinavian folk art, and she used a stamp positioning tool, and I am thinking of getting my stamp apparatus out and having a go. Just think it's a great idea. So so when I have my go, I'll probably do it live on YouTube, and I'll link Phoebe, who I've just watched. I'll link her video in there so that you can follow it, or I might just, yeah, I'll put it in that one. So I've picked out some of the sentiments. I've got Hey Friend, and I picked out this flower, this stalk, these leaves. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I'm just going to stamp. So I'm going to start off with the flower, and I'm going to use Polished Pink for the flower. We'll see how we go. Whoops. It's simple imagery because these stamps are fantastic. I'm just going to carefully put this down at the top in the middle. That's lovely, isn't it? And then a stalk in Night of Navy. Simple as, like a lollipop really, isn't it? And then I'm just going to take the bumblebee and do the leaves. And it's really quite nice because there's two stamps and they are symmetrical, so easy peasy, easy peasy beasy. Just a simple card. I did do that a bit far out, but not to worry. Not going to worry about that. And then a Night of Navy. Just going to pop Hey Friend. There we go. Done. Would have been more ideal to get that a bit closer, but It's quite hard when you're filming because you can't see right over what you're doing, whereas you'll be able to just take your time and get it symmetrical. I just will put a gem on that, but I'm just going to pop this on. Excuse my arm crossing a working space. I just get some dimensionals and pop this on. I've got a wee idea to distract from my careless gap. Is I'm going to get a piece of ribbon. Because I've not looked it out, give me a second. I can quickly catch. Here it is. Oh, tried to get my bow maker, it's got caught in my drawer. I'm not very slick, am I? But never mind. I'm real. What you see is what you get. Here we go. I just use the bow maker, you know. There's no point in making life more difficult than it already is there? If you're not good at things, just accept that and find a way to do it. Beautiful ribbon, absolutely beautiful. So this comes in all of the 5 new in colours. And my scissors. Oh gosh, I've just been doing something with my sewing machine and I did take my ribbon scissors through there. Where are they? I'm really being challenged today. Oh, here's a pair. That snips. See, this is because I tried to be organised and it all goes wrong. It's far better when I just do it off the cuff. Right, I need to order glue dots. I'm going to run out of them very, very soon. And I'm just going to pop that there, and that makes that gap, that takes that gap away. So that's that fixed. The ribbon wasn't in the plan for the card. It was a happy accident. I think it actually works. I think it finishes it off. Oh, and let's have some bling. Okay, so what will we pop in here? I think we'll just take one of the peel papaya ones and just pop it in there, and a pink one up there, and another pale papaya one there. There we go. So a bit of sparkle too. So thanks very much for sticking with me. And there we have it. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and so that you get notified of any future videos. Thank you very much.